If your drain field is getting all clogged up with algae or crazy amounts of vegetation, it's a sign you gotta check what's going on fast. So, first off, look around for any leaks in your septic system because that extra moisture is like throwing a party for algae and plants that don't belong there. Next, keep an eye on how you water your yard. Too much irrigation can flood the drain field and cause those plants to go wild. Try to water early in the morning or late at night when evaporation is lower so water gets used efficiently. Avoid planting big trees or shrubs near the drain field since their roots can mess with the pipes underground. If you notice thick algae growth, it might mean there is too much nutrient runoff from fertilizers, so dial back on those chemicals. Aerate your soil around the drain field to help it breathe better and dry out quicker. Keep heavy vehicles or equipment off the drain field so you don't compact the soil and ruin the drainage. Lastly, schedule regular septic inspections every couple of years to catch problems before they get out of hand. One of the biggest mistakes with drain fields is ignoring leaks, which leads to soggy soil and algae explosions. Fix it by repairing pipes right away. Another common issue is overwatering the lawn around the drain field, which makes vegetation grow like crazy and blocks proper drainage. Just cut back on irrigation and use drip systems if you can. The third problem folks run into is planting deep-rooted trees or bushes nearby, causing root intrusion that damages the system. Solution? Stick to grass or shallow-rooted plants in that area. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who know how to handle stuff like septic and drain field issues without drama. For contractors, it's a solid way to find new clients and keep their schedule full with projects they're good at.